What is up, y'all? How you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Yep, that's right. Turn on those post notifications. And like the video. Okay, so today I'm actually going to be doing two things. So, one is a surprise, and I'm going to save it for the end. But, oh, and guys, happy Friday, by the way. But anyways, the other one is, drumroll please. Wait, hold on, I want to, oh, okay, it is my fidget toy collection. So I have this whole bin full of fidget toys, and I got them all on Amazon, except for one. This sounds very random. But one of them I got from Paper Sources. So if you want any of these fidgets, go to online Amazon or Paper Sources. But I would definitely recommend Amazon because they have more fidget toys, obviously. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets I have. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, I have this popsicle poppet. This side's the bad side at popping. Hold on, I'll show you the good side. Let me just pop this side first. Oh, and guys, if you're wondering why my voice is so scratchy, I just have like allergies. Okay, now here's the good side. It's still pretty quiet, but it is better. Okay, so there's that. Now this butterfly poppet. Oh, this side's kind of quiet. I'll show you the louder side in a second. Oops. Okay, here's the better, the louder side. It's still pretty, again, it's still pretty quiet, but it's better. It's better than this poppet, I feel like. So, yeah. Okay, so there's that one. And I have a strawberry poppet. These two poppets actually came in a pack together, and it came with another poppet that I'll be showing you after this poppet. Oh, this is the quiet side, I think. Okay, there's the louder side. So, like, I used to not be interested in fidget toys, like, at all. But then I found out all my friends had them. And for some reason, that made me more interested. So, I just decided to get a whole bunch from Amazon. Yeah. Okay, and this was the poppet I was talking about. That came with the popsicle and strawberry poppet. It's the quiet side. there's the louder side. This puppet's kind of quiet, but like, yeah. Yeah, this puppet's quiet. So I have this teddy bear puppet. Actually came in a pack with this butterfly. This pack came in a 4-pack, and I'm gonna be showing you those 2 puppets in a second that came with these. And this is the quiet side. Sorry guys, I just have really bad allergies right now. Honestly, I almost feel like it's a cold too in a way, so yeah. But don't worry guys, I don't have COVID. I didn't get tested, but I've hardly been anywhere besides school because I finally went back. But like, I got my cold or allergies or whatever it is before school started, so yeah. Okay, so anyways, the 3rd puppet in this pack that comes with the butterfly and teddy bear is this Among Us puppet. How many of you out there play Among Us? Comment down below if the comments are on, because they're never on, sadly. I wish they were though. Okay. I think this is also the quiet side. Oh wait, maybe it's the loud side. I don't know. I just ordered these, so I'm kind of like new to the fidget toys. So yeah. All right, let's try this side. Oh, this is the louder side. So there's that. And I would show. Oh, whoops! I showed you it. I would show you the 4th puppet that comes with all of these, but like that's my favorite puppet that I have because it's the biggest puppet. So I think I'm gonna show you that one last. But we're almost there. I just have to show you one more puppet. Actually, no. I'm not just gonna show you the last puppet after the previous last puppet. I'm gonna wait till I show you all my fidget toys. Okay. So this is the one that I got from the paper sources. This side doesn't pop at all. So I'm gonna show you the louder side in a second. It's on the louder side. Oh man, sorry guys. On the louder side, it's still not quite as loud, but it is louder. So yeah. Okay. That's the louder side. Again, it's still pretty quiet, but it is louder. So yeah. Okay, my next fidget toy is, what should I show you next? I'll show you this. It's a unicorn simple dimple. Okay. And I'll show you the other one that came with this one, a pack of 2. And I got another simple dimple. And I got a DNA ball. Ew, it's gross. It has hairs on it. It grows out easily. So, yeah. And last but not least, my favorite poppets that came with these 3. Wait, no. That was 4. These 3. It did not. These and the other puppet that I'm about to show you did not come with this at all. I didn't mean to grab that. But last one is this one. That came with the Among Us puppet, the butterfly puppet, and the teddy bear puppet. So yeah, those, and my Fidget toys, again, I got these all from Amazon, so if you want them, you can go on Amazon's website and search up Fidget toys, and yeah, get all these cool Fidget toys that I have if you want them, or just other Fidget toys in general. But again, this is the only one I got at Paper Sources. So if you want this one, and there's a Paper Sources near you, then go there if you want this one. But honestly, I like this puppet, but like it's my least favorite puppet. So yeah, and yeah, that's about it. Oh, that's right. I told you I had one more thing at the end, so I'm gonna go get it. Okay, so guys, I got it. So last thing I'm going to show you is, hold on. I need something to stand this up. Sorry, guys. Oh wait, no, I could just use this. Ah! No! Oh boy, this isn't working. Okay, well, it's not gonna work. Alright, well, maybe it will. The last thing I have to show you is, drumroll please. Ugh, falls over all the time. Drumroll please. I know. I'm not drumrolling on anything, but just pretend I am. I got, hold on. I got ready? I'm gonna look different when I come out, so I'm gonna reveal myself in 3, 2, 1, 0. I got glasses. So also comment down below if you like my glasses. If the comments are even on. But yeah. Yeah. I was basically blind. So I had to get glasses. So yeah, I'm gonna take these off because the doctor said not to wear them when I'm on the screen, and I could still see the exact same on the screen. Wait, I can't. Yeah, I can still see the exact same on the screen. So screen's fine. I don't need glasses when I'm on the screen. But yeah. So again, for a possible shout out for my next video, I want you to like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and comment down below if you what is your favorite fidget toy I have. So yeah, if the comments are on, I don't know if they'll be on, but if they are, then comment down below for a possible shout out next video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and also, if you want how to wash your puppet video, like the video so I know, and maybe that'll be my next video, who knows. So yeah, bye, see y'all next time, peace.